What's up guys, Mr. Max Productions here, and today I'm gonna review this Philippine Airlines Boeing 777-300ER by Phoenix Models. I got this from a seller online for 2,500 pesos. This was originally 2,100 pesos on stores, but the seller sold it for 2,500. So yeah, this also cost like about $40 US. I actually flew in this plane, but not in this registration. But I flew Philippine Airlines 777 to San Francisco, and it was a nice flight also. This is actually the biggest aircraft of Philippine Airlines in their fleet, and this model is in its 75th year anniversary, and it's actually already outdated because right now Philippine Airlines is 79 years old, and then next year they're gonna be 80 years old already. I don't know, I'm not sure if they're gonna do a new, like a special livery for 80 years. And yeah, this the oldest airline in Asia, so that's quite nice. So here's the box, which is actually special with 75-year livery box also. Here's the titles, here's the front, and there's the digitalized photo of the model. It's Philippines registration, which is RP-C7774 or 7774. 1/400 scale. Here's the sides of the box. Here's the back. So yeah, this box actually looks very damaged, but I had to wash this when it arrived in my house because you know what's happening right now. So my parents told me to clean the box, but good thing I didn't clean the model, don't worry about that. So yeah, it's kind of wet here on the edges, but good thing the model didn't get wet. When it arrived, I bet this box was in perfect condition. I actually got this new, so that's great. So let's unbox it. The model. Okay. Let's put this back here. Okay, it's a very nice model. So let's start first with the left side. Over here. Alright, so here we have the nose cone details, and here we have the cockpit windows. We have, I think these are antennas, or nice detail here. Here is the nose gear with the last 3 digits of the registration, which is 774. Here's the L1 door, or as I call it, the business class boarding door. And then here's the business class windows, and here's the large bold Philippine Airlines titles, or Philippines titles, yeah. And then here is the L2 door, or the main boarding passenger door. We have more details here also. Here we also have an antenna on top. So, and then here's the GE90 engines, which is very big. And then here's the L3 door, or the overwing exit door. And here you can also see the landing gears. Here is the L4 door, and here we have Boeing 777-300ER. Going at the back here, we have the 75-year livery or logo, and then here's the registration. And then here in the bottom we have a red antenna, which is quite interesting also. Then here we have the tail with the Philippine Airlines logo. We have details here also. Here's the horizontal stabilizers and the Philippine flag. And then here we also have the APU. And the right side of this model is just the same as the left side, but this time with cargo doors. So here's the data of the cargo doors. Here's the front cargo door, nicely detailed over here. And then here is the back cargo doors, as you can see. Here's the front view of the model. Yeah, okay. Let's focus here. Okay, there we go. There's more detail of the nose cone, and here's the nose gear. Let's take a closer look on the engines. The fan blades does not spin, but it's very nicely detailed also. So yeah, very nice. Now let's look at the back part of the model. There we go. It's very nice also. Now let's take a look on the top part of the model over here. So yeah, here we have these things, which is actually emergency escape hatches, which actually says cut here in emergency. And here is the anti-collision light. Going on the middle, we also have a bunch of emergency hatches here also. We have details over here. And going into the back part, we have the Wi-Fi box, and then 2 antennas, and then the tail. So yeah, here's the top of the horizontal stabilizers, and here's the top of the wings, which has the registration, and here is the emergency, the overwing exit. It's on each wing. Now let's take a look on the bottom side of the model. Just wait. Here's a better view. So yeah, here's the nose gear doors. We have also the cone here, a lot of details on the bottom. And I don't know what this light is, to be honest, but it's actually quite smudged. When I got this model, I also realized that I don't know why it's quite smudged, but that's okay. More details here, and then we have the Phoenix logo in the belly. And then here's the bottom of the engines, which has detail also. And then we also have the anti-collision light, I think. Then here we have the hole for the stand. And then here's the landing gears, which does tilt and roll also. And that's actually what I really like about this model. Like all of the landing gears are they do roll, like each of them. I had other models that, you know, yeah, their landing gears does roll, but there's like, you know, like that one wheel that doesn't roll that well. But in this model, all of the wheels here, they roll very smoothly, especially the nose gear also. And especially, yeah, they also tilt, which makes it very realistic. And then here we have the landing gear doors also, Here's the bottom part of the wings, which has the registration. Then here's the back part of the model, and as you can see, the red antenna. And the bottom side of the horizontal stabilizers, and the door for the EPU. So yeah, there's no defects in this model, which I really like. Now, I'll show you the model with the stand. Actually, when I bought this, it didn't come with a stand. But yeah, I'm gonna get my stand here. Let's see what it looks like with the stand on it. Alright, so there we go, very nice. And let's look on the landing gears over here. And as you can see, they tilt a lot. So you can see, look at that angle, which is really nice, very realistic. Now it looks like it's landing now, which I really love about this model. Actually, with this model also, the fact that it's quite outdated is that it doesn't have the 4-star Skytrax logo on its doors, on its main passenger doors. And actually, this registration, it doesn't have this livery anymore, which I don't think any Philippine Airlines aircraft has this livery already on it. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you the model with airport service vehicles. So yeah, and just wait. Here, let me give you a nice view so you can see what I'm doing. These airport service vehicles, again, they're just made out of Legos, because I don't have the real ones, because they're quite rare, the 1/400 scale versions. So yeah, and there we go. Fits perfectly with the 777. Very nice. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next video. Bye.